So guys, it's Jace and Ribbon, and we're gonna do the barbecue chips challenge. It has extra barbecue on it. Yep. So let's try one. This how they look. It's like a regular Lay's just with barbecue chips on it.
Now I'm gonna put it on yellow.
I'll put it at it. Yellow too.
No, actually orange. No, yellow. Yeah, yellow. Comment down below.
I'll give this a 5.
Should it be orange or yellow?
I'll give this an 8.
8. I'll give it a 7.
This is pretty good.
Yeah. Actually a 10.
Sorry, my mom's cooking. And look, when we keep on eating them, they start getting hot, right?
Yeah, they start getting better.
Or a little bit hotter.
Y'all are doing your homework.
I'm going home.
Hey guys.